everyone. Today I am going to tell a story. Once upon a time, there lived a strong elephant in the forest. Every day he would walk with big footsteps, stamping the anthill. The ants decided to teach the elephant a lesson. One day the elephant was eating banana leaves. Ants started biting him. The elephant was unable to bear the pain, and it began to trumpet loudly. The ants felt sorry for the elephant. We are sorry. We wanted to teach you a lesson. The elephant realized his mistake. He understood that